you. So today we're going to talk about the Orbots, the most popular ones. We got the Vibe and your Slim. The Slim is battery operated. This one is 110. It's basically most popular because it does cover more. You can clean up to like 3,000 square feet an hour on the carpet, which is just insane. And the way it works is really interesting. You see it? So what it's doing is it's actually going around the fiber instead of going like this. So when you're cleaning carpets, like for maintenance or for even cleaning, it's insanely good and powerful and quick. That's the advantage. Also, some other advantages would be the tank is right here. It's got the sprayers right here. Actually, this is pretty easy to move too. You can just do it from like that. You can just move this over and then go like this. Look at that. And then when you lift it up. So anyway, the tank here, the sprayers are here. Show you again, see those? And then also if you want the weights are right there. Weights go right there. That's for like doing marble, stone care and stuff like that. Comes with a lot of accessories. You can get a lot of things for it. This is the most popular. This is by Orbot themselves. These are super absorb pads. You just put them underneath, clean with it. And then again, the reason they clean is because of the way it's moving the machine. It's not going around the fiber like this, but it's actually going all the way around as it goes. So this one, and then you can also change the head. It comes with this, your head that you can put pretty much this on. You can put different pads on it. And if you want to replace it, you can replace that with the tile and grout one. And then all of a sudden you can do tile and grout with it. It really does do a good job of like evening it out mostly. If you really wanted to get down into it, then you'd probably have to power wash it. Here's some other pads. This is just for general cleaning. This is for stripping. This is actually really interesting. This is called the Aqua Strip Pad. And what you do is you put it on here and you put water on it, and it actually will strip your VCT, your finish, also called wax. So pretty interesting, and it lasts you a pretty long time. You can flip it over too, so you can use it twice. Let's talk about this guy. So this one is a must-have. Like if you want something lightweight and you're tired of like taking it in and out of the truck, also if you have smaller areas like in residential, then what you could do is you could just take this and make your life a lot easier and reduce your fatigue. It can get into every little corner. It's got this tank on it. It's also got a jet on it. You can just spray it. You don't have to like pre-spray separate if you don't want. Really convenient and easy to use, easy to carry, easy to transport. Accessories for this, we got lots of stuff. You got your pads for carpet. You got your tile and grout brush. Tile and grout brush looks kind of like the carpet brush too. It has one of those as well. And these are melamine pads. Some of you guys are probably not familiar with the melamine pads. Basically what they're like, magic eraser. You just put it down, you put a neutral cleaner on it, and you can clean anything on it without having to go over it. It actually will clean it. And it's very durable, lasts you a really long time. And of course, let's not forget this guy. I might as well show you this because this is also very popular. So when you're doing like stairs or furniture, you can use your driver on this. You can put the different pads on it. You can also use different brushes for agitating. This one is probably medium. This one is like heavy duty. And this one is like delicate, so you probably use this one on furniture if you have to. So the green one, delicate. This one, medium. And this one, heavy duty, or the let's say for cleaning countertops or something like that. It would work great. This is really good machine. Has a nice grip to it. You can just control it with 2 hands without a problem, or use 1 hand if you want. Good stuff. Other than that, basically encapsulation, there really isn't anything better. Not only is it cleaning it because it's transferring it all onto the pad, but also you're getting this insane coverage with it while not having to go over it. Like if you've ever used a floor machine, floor machines, they take you time to run over it. With this one, you just go over it 1 time, you're pretty much done, even on dirty stuff. So really easy to use, great encapsulation. So if the pad doesn't pick up something and there's residue left over, then it'll encapsulate, and then the next day when the customer vacuums, it'll get picked up in the vacuum cleaner. Yep, that's it.